Hey everybody, this is the 18th of June. You can see what I've gotten done, or not done. This site is pretty much still a work in progress, as I got some buildings that are on their way. You can see now a little bit more has been done. You can see all the lights, street lights are in. Oops, that boxcar is not supposed to be on the road. Oh well, it happens. So even the Starbucks over here is lit up. The Coca-Cola Dr. Pepper distributor. I've got my little accident scene. I still got to put people down. And see the traffic signal? That one's turning yellow. Oh, and that just turned green. There's my little housing development over there. And the movie theater. Well, guess they're not showing a movie right now. The merry-go-round. Oh, we got the alien. Oh no, the tanks are coming in. The military. Look at all that. Let's see. We got the movie theater sign. Star Wars. It's about 4 feet wide, 22 feet long. As soon as I get a couple more buildings, one's going to go where that stuff is right there. And the other one will go right where this building that's coming apart is. And then I could actually start finishing things off, getting everything placed. Let's see if I get the overall view. Okay, well, hope you enjoyed it.